le français avec roman. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? Ce film est nul. Je suis d'accord. On y va? Ok. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? Ce film est nul. Je suis d'accord. On y va? Ok. Qu'est-ce que, what, you think about it? En, it's a pronoun. En replaces a movie, a bad movie. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? Ce film est nul. This film is terrible. So, ce in French means this. Unlike in English, we have also feminine and masculine form and also plural form for that word, this. Ce garçon, this boy. Cette fille, this girl. So here we have to add ce because garçon is masculin, it's a masculine word, and here we have to add cette because fille is feminine word. So there's also something a little bit different. Cet arbre. Here arbre is a masculine word, but it's starting with a vowel. So here we can't just use ce arbre, because in French language we seldom have two vowels in front of each other because of the pronunciation would be very hard. Ce arbre. No, so here we have to add a T because it's a masculine word and starting with a vowel. Cet arbre. So for example, I give you another example. Cet avion. That plane. So if it's a feminine word, no problem. We use cet. So here you have the plural form. C'est garçon, c'est fille. So here it's good because c'est, it's both for masculine words and feminine words. Ces garçons, ces filles. Ce garçon, cette fille. Cet arbre, cet avion. Ces garçons, ces filles. Nul means bad, zero, terrible. So it's an adjective. And like every adjective in French, there is also the feminine form. Nul, same pronunciation. Nul, nul. For example, cette voiture est nulle. Here you have to be careful. Three things. Cette, this, feminine in front of a feminine word. Voiture is feminine. Voiture, a car, voiture. And then I have to make the agreement with the adjective. Since voiture is a feminine word, I must use the feminine word, the feminine form of the adjective. So, cette, feminine, because voiture is a subject, it's a feminine word. So, is also the adjective. Nul. Cette voiture est nulle. Then, je suis d'accord means I agree. I am agree. Je suis d'accord. In French, we can also say okay. Just like in American English, we say okay. Je suis okay. Je suis d'accord. Do not pronounce de. Don't say je suis d'accord. No, je suis d'accord. Je suis d'accord. On y va? Let's go. Let's go. Shall we go? So here again, you have also here a pronoun. On y va. I means there. The place I mentioned before. It's a pronoun. So here, it's just an expression meaning let's go somewhere else. On y va. So here you have two pronouns. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses? En here refers to what we are talking about. So the movie. And here, I, here it's also a pronoun but in that expression it just means let's go somewhere else. On y va. So I want to give you another example with e. For example, when you have to use e, you can use it in a sentence like that. Je vais à Paris means I go to Paris. Je vais à Paris. Then maybe somebody can say, ah, tu y vas quand? Tu y vas quand? When do you go there? Tu y vas quand? And then you can reply, you can say, for example, tu y vas quand? J'y vais demain. So here it's a pronoun. So of course, before using a pronoun, we must know what it refers to. Here we understand he is à Paris. Je vais, I am going to Paris. Je vais à Paris. Ah, tu y vas quand? When? When are you going there? J'y vais demain. I'm going there tomorrow. J'y. You see? Here, be careful. Right after the pronoun. Personal pronoun. Right before the verb. Tu y vas. Some key vocabulary here. Penser means to think. Le film, a movie, a film. M, don't forget, it's a masculine word. Nul, nul. Être, to be. D'accord. Le popcorn, la place de cinéma. La séance, it's a showing time. La séance. Le guichet, guichet. So don't say guichette. The T is not pronounced. Le guichet and regarder. And here you have the verb to be for your information. Don't forget, it's an irregular verbs. Je suis, tu es, il est, of course, elle est, and also on, oui, on est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. Be careful, it's very irregular. Don't forget to do the link. Il est, vous êtes, and do not pronounce S. Je suis, no, no, no. S is not pronounced. Je suis, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. So since in the dialogue, somebody is giving an appreciation, so in that case it's a negative appreciation, opinion. Here you have some words to some adjective to say if you like something, how do you find something, or if you don't like. So here it's positive appreciation. C'est bouleversant, c'est émouvant, c'est touchant, c'est fascinant, c'est génial, c'est passionnant, c'est original, c'est divertissant, c'est unique, c'est inoubliable, c'est spectaculaire, c'est merveilleux, oh, c'est splendide, c'est magnifique, c'est remarquable, ah, c'est mortel, c'est terrible, c'est fabuleux. So be careful, c'est mortel means it's awesome. You can die for it, so it's good. Actually, so here I wrote the feminine form also. So be careful. When you use say, you don't need to add the feminine form. The feminine form, it's only for your information. For example, if you want to talk about something, if you want to say, for example, il est touchant, it's a very touching person, a male, or elle est touchante if you are talking about a female. So just for information, but just after say, you don't need to use a feminine form. And another example, if you want to do, to say a negative appreciation. C'est horrible, c'est choquant, c'est décevant, c'est ennuyant, c'est détestable, c'est affreux, c'est nul, c'est monstrueux, c'est pittoresque. So maybe this one here, it could be both actually. Usually it's positive, but it depends. You can be also ironic about something. C'est scandaleux, c'est vulgaire. C'est une imposture, c'est un navet. Ça me laisse froid. Ça me laisse froide. Here we have to use the feminine or masculine form because me. Ça me laisse de glace. Ça me laisse indifférent or indifférente if you are a girl. Merci, à bientôt.